Good morning, and win today, guys. And I am taking you to the park. Just a quick little story. I live in the USA and I love the park. When I was home, which is Jamaica, I used to go to the beach on weekends. I come to America and realize the beaches are far away. So guess what? I got so used to going to the park. Now, if I don't go to the beach for a while, I'm okay because the park is good. It has some dirty water, so you can look at the dirty water moving. But at least nature is always lovely, right? So that's why I love the park. So I decided that I'm gonna drive to the park today, and right now I'm on a break at work and I have a little bit of time, not too much, but I have enough time where I can go visit the park and bring you along. I'm gonna take you through the park. I'm gonna drive through the park first, and then I'll walk through the park and show you the American, one of the US park. This is how they built it. This is how they created it for families, and I love that. I realize now that they're doing different parks also similar in Jamaica, which is good. Of course, we have Hope Gardens. I don't even know if we call it Hope Gardens anymore, but Hope Gardens was one of the places that we used to go to in Jamaica, nature wise, that you could just hang out. People used to go to and just have fun. So I'm gonna show you my journey right now. I'm actually passing some, again, they're breaking down some trees. Always cutting down the trees, guys. Always cutting down the trees to build businesses and homes. But you know, I always say, and I hear other people say, every time they cut down the trees, the animals, first of all, nature, if you're cutting down the trees, you're cutting away oxygen, natural oxygen. So this is a little road that I always go on, I always drive on. It's long and I love to drive on it, guys. Can you see all of this? Beautiful. And this road leads to the park. And let me show you over that stand. See that? Look at that. Look at the sky, guys. Look at that blue and white up there. Look at nature. And then on the other side, guys, just showing you my journey to the park, and then I'll show you the park. So enjoy. If you ever come to Orlando, and you're in the Apopka area, you can find the park in this area. I think this is a nursery, a plant factory or something like that. That's over that side. And then you have someone cutting grass right there. Yeah. Oh, wow. They really take care of the land. Wow, guys, look at that. Okay. So let me see. I usually go on this side, but they just renovated, and it looks like there's no one there. So let us go on the other side, which is this. Okay, so this is the entrance, guys. So if you ever are in Orlando, this is a park that you can visit. Of course, they have speed limit sign, which is good because some people is not thoughtful, unfortunately. And look at the trees, guys. Look at the trees. It was raining all last night and this morning, so it's a little bit wet. So a little bit wet. So this is this side, and then you have on this side right there where people come and they book this area and do barbecues, they do birthdays, just get together. Family usually come and get together on the weekends. Then on this side you have the area where they play basketball, as you can see the setup there. Sorry guys, you can see the setup, and that's the other side right there. Okay, so and then let me slowly drive here. As you can see right over there to the right, guys, there is a play area for the little tiny kids. So they cater for family in this park. They cater for family. See that? Look at these big, beautiful, lovely trees. See? So I also want to be safe. Hold on. So, okay. So that. So if you look further down here, you can see some water. And okay, let me tell you, do not swim in that. Some boys are too brave. They go in anything. Oh guys, look, 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 look. Look at this. Open your feather. Don't come near me and bite me. Look. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Look. Go right here. Somebody's behind me, guys. Come back to me. Where are you? I don't want to go too close because it will pick me. But look. Look how beautiful this is. You better not come near me. Look at that. See that? Absolutely. Where are you? Where are you? Whoop. Absolutely beautiful. Don't come too close. See that? Open up your wings. Open up. Open up and show the family your wings, your feathers, your beauty. Right now. Guys, she's not listening. And over there, guys, that's the bathroom for the park. So you have the male on one side and the female on the other. She is not listening. Come here and say hello to the people. See that? Be good. Beautiful, right, guys? So I'm taking you around, and all of this is just trees. Beautiful park. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. This is a beauty. Again, as I said, you can bring the family here and enjoy the day. Barbecue. See, look, they have a little stand where you can barbecue right there, just if you have 2 or 3 or 6 or more people. Right here, if you have, you know, they have the bench right there. That means just one family can sit right there and have fun. And then you have more benches and barbecue area right there too. Okay. And then of course they cater for special needs or okay, I guess someone is in their yard. There's houses beyond this, and they're doing their they're mowing the lawn. That's what you're hearing, guys. Sorry to be moving the camera. I just want to show you different areas. So all of this right here is absolutely beautiful. And people come and just chill on their break. People come, do their thing, exercise, read. This is a good place, guys. As you know, I am a Christian. Yep, proud Christian, God-fearing, and don't take it lightly either. And a place like this, nature is the best place to read your Bible. Yep, the best place to read your Bible is in nature. The best place. Yeah. Wow, look at that tree. I'll show you in a minute, guys. Look at that tree. I don't know what is in there. I think they have birds or something in that blue container, but it's always been there for years. And see that? Look at these trees. Look. These trees are tall. See that? Look. can someone not to like stuff or a place like this? It's nature. Nature. See that? Nice trees, big trees. These trees are for years. These look how big this is. Let me move back. Let me see. Okay. See that? Yeah. Let's go around the trees. Ready? Look at that. To the glory of God. Yeah. This right here is all God. All God. It's absolutely beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Right there. Look at that tree, guys. I'm telling you, I love it. I love it. Love it. Yep. And that's how tall the trees are. Really tall. And of course, you have people walking their dogs also. So I just wanted to show you a glimpse of me walking or driving through the park. So I just love the street. I just love that tree. Look at that design. Look at the design, guys. Can you see art? You see that? That is amazing. Yep, amazing. So, alright guys, as I said, I'm on my break right now, so I'm just gonna go on the other side and show you the other side of the park, and then we'll see. Can you hear that, guys? You see that limb right there? That's where you see that? That's where they are. Making the sound. Guys, I forget to tell you also, when you're at the park, there's also mosquitoes. Especially because it was raining, guys. It was raining. So, all of a sudden I see mosquitoes showing up in my video. Just wanted you to know. Mosquitoes. Close to the little pond. So this is what it looks like. So it looks like plants or leaves just growing on top of it. See that? Yeah. And then I see two more birds out there. Can you see that? Two more. See that? Yeah. And there's a tree right in the middle of the pond. Yeah. This is what park is looking like. So if for any reason you're in Orlando and you need somewhere to go to, here's a park you can visit.
this is another area for the little kids and the babies. Right there. Yeah. Okay. So enough space, enough grounds are here that you can cover. I also noticed that right up there is a campground, guys. So you can do camping over that side. I didn't even remember that that was there. And there's also a camper. Someone with a camper here. Oh wow. I should have gone over there and asked him to show me. See? So this is another place where, oh, this is nice. You can have indoor event. And this is the park office right here. See the sign that say park office. So this is leading out to go back outdoors, guys. So I just want to say thank you for hanging here with me. Blessings to you. Remember to click the notification bell, subscribe first, then click the notification bell, like the video, share it with everyone you possibly can share it with. Also, guys, remember, God is love. Yes, God is love. And whatever we do, let us be an example to the world out there. Let us be the leaders. Let us be that person that smile with that person that need a smile here and there, that need a shoulder. Let us be that person. Okay, guys? Let us be that person that share a lunch, share a bite. Okay, guys, right there is on the other side of the road. And next time, they're still renovating that side. So next time I will take you over here and we can go and check it out. I haven't been over there since they started renovating here. And there's a big pond, if you can see it from the here. Okay, yeah. So as I was saying, guys, let me show you this house while I'm talking to you. As I was saying, just be kind to each other. Love, love, love. Where love is, God is. Okay, and I am just so proud to call you family. Blessings, 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 and joy. God bless you.